Sirish will start with your profile. I'm just downloading your file. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Meantime, can you please elaborate your technical skills, sir? For the roles
Yeah,
in this
I
part.
have a total of 12 years of experience in IT. I have worked on various technologies like SQL Server, PySpark, Python, and Azure Databricks, Azure Data Factory, Azure SQL
Okay.
Server, and Azure DevOps as well, and also
Okay.
on various Azure services.
So coming to that Azure Databricks, how many years of experience you have?
I have total of 6 years of experience in Databricks.
Okay. Can you please share your screen? You write some pseudocode of the Spice Bar. Okay. So there is a files in my ADLS location. Okay. My objective is load the files into a data frame.
Okay. Which location?
ADLS location it is there. Yeah. Can you please increase your notepad size? Yeah. Do we really need required to give all these things, build name, the location, everything?
To import Spark, we have to give to create this Spark
Okay.
function
Which version of notebooks you developed your note actually the code?
in a two version two.
Okay, fine. Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah. Okay. Now, no, just read that CSV. That's fine. Okay. Now, whatever the you hard coded the one of the path, right? ADLF
Yes.
path. Okay. I don't want hard code. Make it as a parameter.
Okay. Yes.
No, where you made it as a parameter.
Yeah, here we have added this variable, right? And
No.
we called it.
So my objective is I need to pass this. I need to run this notebook from ADF. ADF pass that parameter. From pipeline, I will pass this parameter to this Databricks notebook.
Okay, you want to pass this as a parameter in a notebook.
Yes.
Uh, uh, I haven't worked on that scenario.
Okay, that's fine. Now, what are the data frame you loaded, right? Make that API call and send the data to the API.
Yes, we can create a job and we can create that API call
No, that is what. Write a API call. How will you make the API call in Spice Park?
by Spark. Uh, by Spark API call. Yeah, we can instead of taking this uh, ADFL, we can enter the URL and we can call the values. Here, instead of using this CSV file, uh, we can directly load it here using this Spark read, and we can load it into the data frame, and we can use that data frame.
Okay, now suppose I just want to write the same data into SQL Server. How you will do that one?
SQL Server. Okay, then in that case, we will be loading it into the delta table. The data frame will be loaded into the delta table, and we can run that, and we can create a pipeline to the SQL Server where the delta table will be loaded into the SQL Server.
I don't want to create the delta table. I just whatever the data you are getting, you load it into the data frame, right?
Okay,
Simply write the data, whatever the data you're getting into SQL Server directly. I don't want to create the delta. I don't have a Unity catalog in my Databricks actually.
okay. Then in that case, we can directly create from the data frame itself. We will call that SQL Server connection, and we will load that
Yeah,
data
that
frame.
is what I'm trying asking. How you will do that one? Write a pseudo code over here.
Uh, Uh, I don't know exact syntax. Sorry, I can't remember it.
Okay. So coming to that data factory now. Okay.
Okay,
There is a one store poser. Okay.
okay,
My objective is I need to call the store poser. The code store poser will return some value to me. Maybe it is one or zero.
okay.
Okay. Based upon the particular value, I need to execute some logic. Okay.
Hmm.
In ADF, what are the activity we'll use?
So in ADF, we can write a condition to check the store browser value, and based on that, we can run the activity, whatever logic we have to run it, and we can run it. Once the pipeline is running, it will check that store browser value, and based on that, it will run the activity.
First of all, tell me how you will execute the store poser.
So the store browser is not created in. We have an activity like running the SQL store browser in data factory.
What is the activity?
Uh, Data flow. We can use data flow activity.
Okay. Tell me what are the activities are there in the ADF?
We have a copy activity, data flow activity, and mm, those are some of the activities.
No, you just mentioned only two activities name.
I can't remember exactly the names of the activities. Other activities.
Okay. We will go for the sequel now.
Okay.
Okay. So there is some duplicates in my table. I just want to remove the duplicates actually. So how you will do that one?
There are multiple ways where we can use a distant function, or we can create a we can generate a row for each column where we are having a and we are getting duplicate values, and we can fetch the first row number, and we can provide it to the user.
Okay. Can you please write down?
Yeah, this is a query we can use.
Okay. Will it delete the data? I mean duplicates data?
It will fetch the unique values, will not delete it.
Okay,
For a
my intention
delete,
is delete, right?
okay, you want to delete, then we can use. This will delete it, delete all the duplicate values.
Can you please check the syntax actually?
One minute. Yeah, this will do.
So what are the Windows functions are there?
Windows functions are row number and
No,
partition by.
no.
And
Partition by the Windows function.
yeah, it is
Okay,
a window.
no. Row number is one Windows function. Then next,
Where
Sirish, I'm asking what are the Windows functions are there in the SQL Server?
so Windows functions then partition by over other Windows function.
No, I'm asking what are the Windows functions are there. Not asking the current query, whatever the you are written.
Okay, in
General.
Windows functions we can have a sum average. Those are arithmetic functions. We can have various arithmetic
Okay.
functions and logical functions like row number, dense row,
Hmm.
rank.
Okay. So what's the difference between the rank and dense rank?
In rank, it will remove the gaps in the values. In a dense rank, it won't remove that gaps in the columns, so in the rows. Well, getting the reaching the values.
You know CTE?
Yes.
So can you please write down the sample syntax for the CTE? Okay. How you see the data?
We can write it as select CTE and we can see the value.
Can you please check the syntax?
Uh, I think this is. I don't. I can't remember. Sorry, the syntax for display.
Yeah. That's it from my side, Sirish. Okay. Do you have any questions?
No, nothing at the moment.
Never mind. I'm frankly speaking like this. You haven't prepared the interview actually, Sirish. You need to. So multiple times you are saying you can't remember. So I mean, one time, two times that is fine. But I mean, multiple times you are saying the you can't remember. See, when I ask the simple CTE, you are not completing the select CTE. Select to start from C. You are not properly looking whatever you are writing actually. Okay, I mean that is up to you. I mean, just I mean, in future as well. I mean, I'm just never mind. I'm saying like this. Just prepare well for the future interviews. Yeah, yeah. Thanks
Yeah.
for your time. Yeah.
Thank you very much.